Hello, family. It's been a while, but as you always know, we give you the best. There's a good news. The new train assembled in Poland for use in Tema Mpakadan line has been handed over to Ghana finally. So it's a great news for all Ghanaians and Ghana as a whole. Enjoy the following videos.
What they are doing is a wheel load test. I just want to check whether it meets the standards as we requested. Lights test. Checking whether everything works. So that's what he just did.
This day is with great expectations for the Ghana railway system. As I mentioned in my speech before, there's no country that has developed or industrialized without a vibrant, efficient railway system. So Ghana, on our long journey, basically to ensure that we can accomplish our goal to build a network of 4,000 kilometers of railway network across the country, to assist us with the industrialization theme or the agenda, especially for the current president, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa, to revamp the railway system. This is such a wonderful day. It's a great milestone of achievement for the sector and also for the country. This will be the first time that we are bringing a standard gauge railway system to Ghana, because the original trains that we have were all narrow gauge. So this will be the first standard gauge rolling stock in Ghana. So the expectation is that the trains will leave here sometime in the middle of February, and with transportation period of about 4 weeks, it will get there sometime at the end of March. The trains will go through system testing, close all the gaps, do some trial runs, and then we'll be ready for commissioning by the president sometime in June of 2024. In fact, I took opportunity to actually drive the train myself. It was just a wonderful experience. So the most importantly, as we mentioned before, the key is to ensure consistent and persistent maintenance so that the train can last longer. These trains are built for 30 years and beyond. So our expectation is that we will be able to maintain the line. We've signed an agreement, maintenance agreement with PESA for 5 years. And we are hoping to extend the maintenance period for about 10 years to ensure the train will last longer for the people of Ghana. We are encouraging the Ghanaian public to patronize the use of trains. What this train does for us is to transport passengers from Mpakadan through Pong, Japon, Doyumo, all the way to Tema Port. And then they can switch from this standard gauge line to the narrow gauge line to take them all the way to the heart of Accra. Train asemasi can Poland hey. If you see that Ghana, this is the first time yenya standard gauge railway train ayeba Ghana. Titi no your lines in narrow gauge. Emu ntrekese. When you are the mobile kese. Sebe ya ebetima fa nipa dodo afensi ebetima fa nema emu yeduo. The other come mia. We are the kese His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. This one the kese ne say opese or buy railway jumadie no mu. Because a crop be any honomo ebekoso without a very efficient and vibrant railway system. So this is the beginning of a long journey to ensure say you betima develop a railway line. I'm a trains na come nyame nyina. Sebe ya nipa benya afa train no aye nyuma kese aye nyuma nipa betima tu kwan a sebe omo ho nchiro. Na fe titu kwan say accident esisi yakwa se rebel se train no ba ebeboa ama no abrase. nti na yɛ da kɛseɛ wɔ Poland ha sɛ me gyina me kɛseɛ yi. I have a new train. I de kɔ Ghana. Asɛn bɛyɛ Ghana for so ɛbɛfa ntoma pɛfra. Ɛfa train transportation. Chairman of the ceremony and chairman of PESA, the honorable ministers of transport of Poland, other officials and representatives of the Polish government present here, the management and staff of PESA, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I'd like to extend greetings from the President of Ghana, of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and the people of Ghana. It's indeed a great pleasure for us to participate in this handing over ceremony for the first ever standard gauge rolling stock being procured by the government of Ghana for operations in Ghana. The Ministry of Railway Development, in collaboration with the Ghana Railway Development Authority, is undertaking construction of a number of new standard railway gauge lines as part of the efforts to revamp the ailing railway system in Ghana. Among them are the ongoing construction of the Tema Mpakadan line, which the new trains that you are purchasing here will be tested and commissioned on. Ladies and gentlemen, the development of the 97-kilometer Tema to Mpakadan line complements and forms part of the multi-modal transport system from the Tema port to the southern part of Ghana to the inland port in the northern part. The development of this railway line is about 98% complete and to be completed in 2024. We in Ghana, we are looking for a long-term relationship with PESA for future businesses because we believe that PESA has what it takes to be able to continue to support Ghana railway network. I also like to acknowledge and congratulate VAOB of Ghana for their perseverance, resilience, and tenacity to pull this transaction through. VAOB has been very instrumental to get us here today, despite the challenges and the ups and downs they had to endure. This event is a spark of something bigger to come towards the establishment of a long-term collaborative business partnership between PESA and Ghana. This collaborative partnership is to include the establishment, hopefully, of a Polish embassy in Ghana, as well as the establishment of a train manufacturing assembly plant in Ghana in the foreseeable future, to feed the growing market for rolling stock in the sub-Saharan Africa. It has been proven over the years that a vibrant and efficient railway system is the cornerstone for industrialization, and Ghana does not want to be left out. The opportunities are tremendous, and we are counting on PESA's unwavering commitment and cooperation when we call on you for technical and top-notch after-sales services. We also count on you for favorable financial terms for future procurement, as well as we embarked on our long journey to construct almost 4,000 kilometers of railway network across Ghana.